365 Special was purchased by the same guy that has, well, that owns the 025. We're going to switch out the coil because it has one of those blue limited coils like this one right here. I mean, don't get me wrong, you can use them. There's nothing wrong with them. But as soon as you do any kind of modifications to 365, 372, these go out the window. You need an unlimited coil, and most of the black ones are unlimited. Not to say these aren't good coils, because they are. These are good for unmodified chainsaws. So this one definitely has a blue one. Ran into a problem with this saw. He was trying to block down a big old piece of oak, and when I say this is a big old piece of oak, watch the video. You see how it was cutting out? There was only two things that I could think of that was actually causing it to do that. The coil was limited from its potential, and it was either the carburetor, which I knew the carburetor, but the aftermarket carburetors, you can have problems with them. But this carburetor came from HIPA, so I know that a lot of people that have actually had experience with HIPA's carburetors have not had a lot of bad. So one thing I did like about this carburetor when I put it on there, it reacted great, very snappy. The carb was brand new, so to be expected, it would perform the way you would think it would. Well, I still don't think that is one of the problems. It could be, or it couldn't be. I mean, I don't know. I have to diagnose to see where we're going in this direction. But I really do think it's the coil. Because I know that if you have a factory 365 or a 372, and this could go along with the X-Torque version, if it's blue, you're not going to get your full potential out of your RPMs with these saws. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it out. And I can't do anything today because it's raining outside, so yay for the rain, right? So let's just tear into it and see what we come up with. Move my cup out of the way. Still has all the factory. That's all. Let's go back to this. I'm just wondering if anybody ever really has any luck with the blue coil. This is my first go around with it, so maybe it's just, oh, there we go. Maybe it's just me, I guess, you know. But we're going to put her back together and we're going to fire her up, listen to her run. Like, immediately when he first started this saw up and tried to drop it in that piece of oak, I kind of knew that this was the problem. So let's drop in the black one, man. Get her going. know one thing, he likes the saw. He likes the power of it. He's just looking for something that will absolutely cut up a big old piece of wood, get it pretty much like preformed before he does like the fine carving and all that. Like I said, he does some really good work. I don't know if he ships or whatever, but I posted a link to their Facebook page. Him and his wife do it. Well, he's the one that does the carving, she does the selling and the promoting and all that stuff. But I'll put a link down there if you guys want to check it out. Go ahead. He is a really good guy. It's one of the cool things that I have ran into since I took the lineman job was him and his wife, which they're good people. Tighten this little bad boy back up. Yeah. He's also invited me to some of their carving events, which I think I'm going to go because I think it'll be a cool experience to actually see. I've never seen it before, or well, actually, I've never seen it in person before, is what I should say. Crap. Shouldn't have done that before I stuck that key there. I know that them guys can make some really good money doing it. I've seen some wood carvings go for about 10 grand. There was a guy that carved a big eagle. I don't remember the guy's name, but he carved an eagle for the White House, which is pretty cool. Alright, time to drop this bad boy back on. Get our line back. Think about cross cutting that. Take that bolt off, cross cut it, and make it a 4-way. Alright, let's fire her up. Okay. She should already. Fire back up. Oh, she cold nature. Let her warm up. Okay. I got it warmed up, rented it a little bit too, to just a little tiny bit. Blew the dirt and dust off of it. But it's here. She just wants to cut out. I don't understand why. And I went back and forth with it, tuning it, and right there is where it sounds the best, without a doubt. Hopefully that will fix that problem. I hope it will, because oak is a really, really hard wood to cut. And it can dull your chain. And I'd say running it wide open like that through some stuff like that hard, it can blow your saw up too. But he has got a tack, so it wouldn't even, it wouldn't even restart the saw wouldn't restart because it was so hot. Now it'll restart. But now you don't hear that that cut sound like you don't do that now. So hopefully that really did fix that problem. Well, that's it for this video. You guys have a wonderful day. Hopefully this fixed it.